All right. Moving on to some more news coming in a massive fire massive fire broke out in a slum area near Rithala metro station in New Delhi, and according to fire officer S.K. Dua, the blaze was declared of medium category due to its intensity, and 29 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. The fire officer further said that there was no information about any further casualties. After several hours of firefighting, the blaze was brought under control and one body has been recovered from the site. And the injured child is undergoing treatment at Safdarjung Hospital, and firefighting operations are continuing to ensure complete dousing of the fire. More details are awaited. Now let's listen in to what the fire officer has said.
सर, इसको रात को 10:56 पे कॉल मिली थी कि बंगाली बस्ती रिठाला मेट्रो स्टेशन और दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के स्टाफ क्वार्टरों के बीच में है और झुग्गियों में आग है। तो मौके पर गाड़ियां भेजी गई। आग की ग्रेविटी को देखते हुए इसको मीडियम कैटेगरी का घोषित किया गया। टोटल 29 गाड़ियां यहां काम पे लगी हुई हैं और आग जो है अब अंडर।
Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, what exactly is the cause behind this fire, and currently has the situation been normalized? Has the fire been completely doused? And in terms of the injured child, what are you getting to know?
Well, definitely a massive fire broke out at the slum area in Delhi's Rithala late Friday night, with several fire tenders rushed to the scene. Also, to a blaze, which occurred, the fire occurred near Rithala metro station, has destroyed several huts, and one child has been injured and taken to the hospital. He is under treatment in the hospital, and authorities suspected an leak, LPG leak or electrical short circuit might have caused the fire in the area, but the real cause will be known after the investigation. Also, the relief measures are being arranged for the affected families. So, definitely a massive fire that has destroyed the huts. Huts in the areas, and also what the fire officer has said that they have received the information that a fire broke out in the huts of Bengali Basti and located between Rithala metro station and Delhi Jal Board. Also, fire tenders were sent to the spot. A total of 29 fire tenders were on the spot, and the fire is now under control. So definitely the update has come regarding the current situation, that the fire is under control, and also the kid was reportedly injured and he has been sent to the hospital by ambulance, and there is no information about any further casualties. So definitely there is only one casualty, one person that have got injured, one child that have got injured. The rest, everyone is safe.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Now, some news coming in from Mumbai. Mumbai's evening rush turned dramatic near Air India Junction in Santa Cruz when a taxi and a private car collided, instantly engulfing both vehicles in flames, and Traffic Police Inspector Nilesh confirmed that the drivers escaped unhurt, with fire tenders swiftly dousing the blaze and clearing the charred wreckage and allowing traffic to resume on the key Western Express Highway link, while investigators probe the high-speed crash that sent plumes of black smoke over the airport corridor. Let's in fact listen in to the soundbite.
7:45 के दरमियान इवनिंग में नॉर्थ बाउंड में एयर इंडिया जंक्शन के पास में एक टैक्सी वाले ने सामने जीप जो था उसको डैश मारा, जिसकी वजह से रेडिएटर और बोनेट के अंदर आग हो गई और आग फैल गई, जिसकी वजह से दोनों कारें जल गई। हमने तुरंत दोनों तरफ की जो ट्रैफिक थी वो स्टॉप कर दी। वहां का ड्राइवर और लोगों को साइड में निकाल दिया गया है। कोई जीवित हानि नहीं है। फायर ब्रिगेड को बुलाकर आग कंट्रोल में किया है। अभी ट्रैफिक चालू है।
टक्कर लगने से ही आग लगी, ऐसा कह सकते हैं?
हाँ, टक्कर लगने